In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Smartsheet reports. We'll start in Smartsheet Home. Open the sheet that feeds your report so we can create a simple helper to flag duplicates. In the sheet, click into an empty cell in your helper column. Many teams name this duplicate check. If you don't already have that column, just use any extra text number column set aside for this purpose. Type a COUNTIF to begin the formula. Now select the entire range of your primary column by clicking the first cell in that column, then shift selecting the last cell to capture the full list. This tells Smartsheet where to look for matching values. Type a comma to move to the criteria part of COUNTIF, then click the primary column cell for the current row so the formula checks that value against the full range. If you prefer, you can reference the current row directly with the @row notation, which keeps the formula clean and consistent. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Copy that formula down the duplicate check column so every row is evaluated. A result of 1 means the value appears once in your primary column. Anything greater than 1 indicates a duplicate. Quick tip. If blanks exist in the primary column, COUNTIF may count them too. Consider filtering out blanks or ensuring the primary column holds the unique key you actually care about, such as an ID or email. With the helper in place, head back to your workspace and create a new report. Choose a row report so you can filter rows based on your helper column. When prompted, select the source sheet you just updated. Include the columns you need in the final view, and make sure your duplicate check column is available so you can filter by it. Click. Next, to continue to the filtering step. In the filter builder, choose the field duplicate check. Set the condition type to is not greater than, then enter 1. This tells the report to show only rows where the count is 1, effectively hiding any repeated values while keeping the first occurrence visible. Click Apply to run the report with your new filter. You now have a report that automatically surfaces unique records and quietly removes duplicates from view. If you ever want to audit duplicates instead, just switch the condition to is greater than 1. Keep your helper formula copied down as new rows are added, and your report will stay clean without any manual cleanup. That's it. Your Smartsheet report is now deduplicated and ready to share.